Well, hello, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha Mckinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha Mckinney. I am so excited about this video I am sharing with you all today. Now, I have taken you all behind the scenes with us only one time, and in our one-on-one classes, I'm always inspiring them and motivating them about starting their business, about being encouraged, and that's what I want to do with you all as well. Now, in this tutorial today, I'm just going to show you some clips about us doing the DIY together only in clips, everyone. But starting this week, we're going to share a lot of the inspirational videos that we have done with our students as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let's get started. This is a very delicate centerpiece, and our focus is not to pop off any of those acrylic gems. Remember that we are doing clips only, okay? So what we're going to do, let's turn it around this way so I can let you see. I'm going to go right in between, right there, using my floral wire to connect the two hydrangeas together onto the crown, just like this. And then what you're going to do, you're just going to pull on it real tight when you take it around the hydrangeas. This is something I want you all to see. If I do not hold it tight, look, it starts to loosen up. That's why it is very important for you to hold it down while you are pulling that floral wire. Just keep on pulling it until it's tight, but do not pop off your beads at all. We want to give a lovely shout out to everyone that has been a part of our family for years. Thank you all so much. If you are brand new, let me tell you right now, we do a lot of locking and twisting and double stacking. We make sure that our designs are secure. And that's what we do over here at Designing with Latisha Mckinney. This is a very delicate centerpiece. So make sure you do follow the instructions, because if you pop off one of the beads, the whole string can come loose. Here we go. We are making sure that we place it right here, missing that bead, crossing over, and then we are going to twist it. Now remember, it's only in clips, so you can just imagine how it was in the actual class. And this is how it looked thus far. It is going to be very secure, and I'm going to show you all how. You're able to pick it up and place it down. If not, that means that you have not secured it in properly and you have not done your wired part in there properly as well. So we was doing some counting of how we was going to place in the other floral. I know some people are going to ask me, well, Miss Latisha, why are you guys counting, in the class? The reason why we're counting these items is because we want to make sure that where we place it is where it should be. And like I told you before, we're going to add some more flowers in there. We added many more things. We added acrylic garland. We added fillers. We added in so much. So it's so much to this design than you actually think it is. So I just want you all to see this part and how detailed I am. This is not the actual centerpiece that I am showing you all. I'm going to show that one towards the end, okay? Now, this one is just a demo that was just showed to them in the class. It was just a demo before we did the one, together, excuse me. Now, these are the tea light holders right here that I was telling them that they can get from any local Dollar Tree. And what you're going to do, you're going to take the gold leafing pin and go around the very top of each one, even the 9-inch and also the 7.5-inch bases that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree as well. Let me tell you about the silver. Now, these crowns do come in silver, okay? The only thing that you're going to use different is the silver leafing pin. And your brooches are going to be the ones with the ivory. Now check it out. We are running an awesome sale. Now this is something I want to leave with you all. I tell everyone that's a designer, buy your items in bulks, because when you buy your items in bulks, you save more money that way because you get them for cents. So please make sure you take that advice with you. Believe it or not, these are my favorite small buddy brooches. Now I have a large one right here, that's my buddy brooch, but these small ones, I can use them for so many different things, and they're also, you know, very low in price. You can place them inside of your flowers. They're very, very beautiful, and they're not over the top when you're doing certain designs. Now this is the actual one. I really, really enjoy doing this DIY with them. We have those succulents from the Dollar Tree, and also we're using those tea stands from the Dollar Tree, the actual cylinder vases. And remember, you can do this look as well. This brooch can be found in our store. Okay, let me throw this out. You do not have to use that beaded charger. You can use this 12-inch mirror right here. Now, I told you all in 2020 that we was going to be using it for 2021. You can use it for this one as well. Now for your acrylic garland. We have the ones in the front short, and we did count those off so it would not be close to the cylinder vase at all. Now for the one that's in the back, it is longer. Let me show you all. Here we go. And the reason why we left this one long is because we didn't allow this one to be close at all to the cylinder vase. Because if you have it too close, it's going to clack up against that, and that can be so annoying. Because remember, I told you, you are able to pick it up. See how it can clack if it's too close? And with the 7.5-inch vase, remember, it's optional. You do not have to necessarily do that. These are just some things that I placed in extra just for it to have that beautiful look. I just pushed over this cylinder vase, and then I'm going to place in my tall stem tea light holder right there. So those are just some things that I did in order for it to stand out even more. And I did use the LED lights for those tea lights as well. We place in some more of the lights, very beautiful. The more, the better, correct? And we also place some on our left-hand side facing. Just gorgeous, because it's going to go on your left-hand side and also on your right-hand side. I'm talking about doing two different floor arrangements is what I'm talking about. If you want to be a part of our VIP program and learn more designs like this, hey, we will be more than happy to have you. I thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha Mckinney, and you all have a blessed and beautiful day.